No. You're a bit behind. I did it on time. You did it off time. No, you go through the ball with one leg.
How did I throw a ball?
The ball's gonna be in there.
You got us.
Blood Brooks. My mate said he got affiliated with Blood Brooks. It was £500 a month.